Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some bacon spinach quiche. Yes, you say, what's a quiche? A quiche is an egg custard, and I'm going to put the spinach in it, and it's in a pie crust, and then the what else? The eggs, bacon, and spinach, and the seasoning. And then we're going to top it off with some cheese, and we're going to bake that in the oven, okay? Alright, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out the links below. This is one you should share, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay, so I have 4 large eggs here in the bowl, 4 large eggs. And let me just mix the eggs up first by itself. Okay, now I'm going to add my seasonings. I have some granulated onion. Some granulated garlic. I'm going to add a little salt. And some black pepper. Okay, I'm just going to mix that up. Now I'm going to add some mustard. I'm taking a teaspoon out. It's about a teaspoon of mustard. Okay, now we're going to be adding some heavy cream. This is a half a cup of heavy cream. A half a cup. Okay, we're going to mix this up. Alright, now let's start making our quiche. This is 1 pie crust, already ready made. Okay, so this is 6 slices of bacon that I cooked already, and I crumbled it up into pieces. I'll show you that. Okay. Alright, so we're going to put the bacon on the bottom. Spread it so it kind of covers everywhere. Okay, now I want to put I'm going to put a layer of cheddar cheese over top of the bacon. let me let you see that. You see we have the bacon and the cheddar cheese, okay? How much cheese is really not that important, but you do want it to be able to melt for you to get the flavor of the cheese, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to pour our custard right over there, right over the cheese and the bacon, filling up the crust, the pie crust. Okay, that was just great amount, a great amount. Okay, so now we're going to put the spinach. This is spinach, baby spinach that I chopped up to small pieces. Okay, so let's put the spinach in. Okay, you see I'm trying to make sure that I'm spreading the spinach so that I get all the areas covered. Okay, I'm just cleaning up my mess. Okay, let me let you see what that looks like. So you see my custard, my custard only went up 3/4 the way of the pie crust because it's going to rise and you don't want it to go over in the oven. Okay, so now I'm going to put cheddar cheese on top of the spinach to finish it off. Okay, I gotta add some more cheese because it's not quite full. Okay, I have more cheese here. You want to really cover it so that you don't see the spinach if you can. As much as possible. There we go. Now we're going to bake this in the oven on 350 until the cheese is brown on the top and the crust is brown. Okay? Alright, and we'll be back. Okay, our bacon spinach quiche is out. There we go. So you see it's brown on the edge of the pie crust. The cheese looks like it has baked. You can see the different coloration around the edge. And the way you tell if a quiche is done is you want to tap it in the middle. If it shakes like jelly, then it's not done. If it doesn't, like this doesn't, you're good. It would really have to shake like that, like jelly, okay? Okay. So I cannot taste it for you because it has to rest, okay? But I will give you the word of the day. One second. The word of the day. The word of the day is, I heard that next week it's going to be a vote that the stimulus, summer stimulus agreement have taken place, and that you will be receiving a $1,200 check. So let's see if that takes place. We hope so. If so, it's good news. If not, we're still waiting, okay? But I'm going on the side of it that's good news, okay? What a better word of the day than that, okay? All right, give it a thumbs up because I know you like the bacon spinach quiche. Share the video and subscribe. And by the way, you can eat this for breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's one of those things. Okay, so share the video to everyone. I would like for it to go viral, please. All right, until next time, talk to you. Bye-bye.